Meaning of fifth.
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 Fifth. The term fifth is an ordinal number that represents the position of an object or person in a sequence or series, following the fourth and preceding the sixth. It can also refer to 1 out of 5 equal parts of a whole. In music theory, fifth refers to the interval between two notes that are 5 scale degrees apart. Additionally, fifth is used to describe the gear ratio in some vehicles, such as cars and bikes. Overall, fifth is a versatile term with various meanings depending on the context in which it is used.